Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance. So that may answer the questions you have or clear your doubts in your circumstance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies. We have 7 of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Wands and Temperance. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you have faced a lot of circumstances, guys. You have a lot of experience, Scorpios, and today you feel that you have done enough or you have faced enough. So all that trials and all that sacrifices you have done to be in this place today, and you are you have that acceptance. You are quite emotional thinking of your journey till now. So whatever you have done, the efforts that you have put in and the things that you have lost and the adjustments you have made till now is causing a lot of anxiety in you, worry and pain maybe, but you have that acceptance today. So maybe even now you are in some difficult situation, but you have come to a state where you are seeing things from a different perspective, seeing your circumstance as something of a learning and not as a sad experience. So you have clarity in your thought and actions today, guys, Scorpios, and you have you see your circumstances improving, maybe in your work or even in this relationship. You were quite emotional, but today you are finding that harmony and balance no matter what. And for some of you, maybe you are getting a visit from your friend, or it may be someone really close. It may be this person you love. So they are coming with a good news or a message. So it may be a positive message. It may be from this person you love. So something that makes you happy and that is surprising you, changing the way things are today, guys, Scorpios, in your personal life, or it may be in your work situation. So some kind of a happy news, someone is coming with the happy news today, a friend maybe, or it may be a positive message today, guys. So let's see the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Wands in reverse. So maybe you are in this love with this person, you have someone you love, you may share a level of understanding, but there are some misunderstandings, some kind of a problem you are seeing in this connection, guys. And with the previous cards, we saw that there is some message reaching you. So that may be the answer for your relationship. So things may begin to resolve, guys, and things may change, get back to normal, or everything will begin to fall into place in your relationship. There may be some difficulties, but you are definitely coming out of this situation. Some kind of change is what I see, guys, for your relationship. So, for your career situation, it is the sun. So, things are taking off in your career. Success, prosperity, and abundance is what I see with these cards, guys. So, positive changes in your work, you are seeing better lucrative returns in your work situation, Scorpios. So, that is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Scorpios. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So, this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are what to say, in a particular circumstance we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to what to say, avoid this sadness, but this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us. They are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our what to say, the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength and love. If we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.